We went to a local goat farm and had just the best time. We got to hold and play with 4 of the baby goats who are about a week old. Then we got to feed them and bottle feed them some milk. As soon as all of them were fed, they got to be put away in their cage because their bellies were full and it was no longer time to hold them. I'm pretty sure that if you look up the definition of frolic in the dictionary, you will see a picture of these goats. They are just the sweetest things, how they run around, and the kids absolutely adored being able to play with them. After we spent some time playing with them, we looked throughout the rest of the farm and we got to see all the old gentleman goats who are waiting for their chance to breed new goats. We saw some horses, some chickens, and then we eventually got to go into the barns where the rest of the 500 some goats were. There was a crazy goat you'll see named Jeff who has an amazing hairstyle. And then you'll see Melissa. Melissa, the owner called Melissa and she came running from all the pregnant moms to be milked. She knows she gets milked when all the tours come through. And we got to milk her and it was an awesome experience.